Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I mean, it is very clear to me that this is a 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're in a wave 4 right now, and if we are in a wave 4, then I would expect at least 5 months of overlapping corrective action, probably making its way down to at least a 38% to make a wave 4 before it goes back up and makes a wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, it looks like we have started the wave 4. We do have a breaker structure to the downside, which to me should pretty much prove that this move up is over. That means that there's a very good chance that this is probably going to make some sort of a very overlapping, very corrective pattern like an ABC or a WXY or something like that down to one of these Fibonacci levels before it does continue the uptrend. Probably lasting around the same time as this wave 2. So we're probably looking at, 4 or 5, maybe 6 months of corrective overlapping patterns. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we got big impulsive down, we got breaker structure. So we do know that we have a change of trend. We got impulsive up, which to me looks like a wave A. I still think this needs to make it like a more proper looking correction for the wave B, and eventually head back up for the wave C. So the first push down should be an A. I think we're in an ABC of B, and eventually I think it will go down for that wave C, probably making an ABC correction on the higher time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, gold has been extremely sideways for about 2 weeks now, which is not really that common for gold. It definitely looks like it pulsed down like a wave A. This whole price action from that point on is extremely corrective. At this point, I think it's more likely that it's going to pop up and grab these highs to finish off a wave B before it goes down to either the 61 or the 78% for a wave C. And then this would be the A, this would be the B, and then it would make a C, and then continue back up like this, like I was showing on the higher time frames. Because this whole thing is a correction within a correction. Because we're in an ABC correction, but we're also making a correction to this last wave up. So definitely very corrective, as you can see. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, definitely looks very corrective. I think that more than likely it's gonna end up popping up and taking out these highs. But when the market's this corrective, you can pretty much flip a coin and you're probably gonna be having just as good of a chance of being correct as you would, with your analysis. I do think at some point it definitely needs to go down and hit that 61 or 78% Fibonacci on the 4 hour time frame. The only question I have is it going to go up and grab these highs before it actually starts making its way down to that 61 or 78%? I think that it probably is going to go up and grab those highs. This right here looks pretty corrective compared to this move up right here, which looks very impulsive. So I think that this move down is corrective, this move up is impulsive, and we're probably going to get another impulsive move up, grab these highs right here, and then start a move to the downside for the bigger wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.